Open the spreadsheet you want to delete in Google Sheets and click the file name at the very top of the page to open the full file menu. Then select Move to Trash from that drop-down. That's one of the quickest ways to get it done, especially if you already have the sheet open. But if you're working from Google Sheets' main home screen where you see a list of all your recent spreadsheets, just hover over the file until a checkbox appears on the left side. Tick that box and then click the trash can icon that shows up in the top right area of the page. Either method will send the sheet straight to the trash, so choose whichever feels more natural for how you're currently navigating. If you're viewing your files in Google Sheets, you can also right-click directly on the spreadsheet's name. That opens a small context menu where the very first option is Move to Trash. For tablet users or anyone on a touchscreen device where there's no right-click, look for the 3 vertical dots, often called the More Actions menu, which usually appears when you hover over or tap the files row. That same menu includes the trash option, so the workflow is exactly the same no matter what device you're using. Now, when you actually click Move to Trash, Google Sheets will typically ask you to confirm, especially if it's your first time deleting a particular spreadsheet, or if the file contains any scripts or protected sheets. That confirmation prompt is a short safety check. It'll show a message like Move to Trash. The spreadsheet will stay in your trash until permanently deleted. Just click the blue Move to Trash button inside that box to complete the action. If you're using the file menu from within an open spreadsheet, sometimes it won't show a confirmation at all and will just disappear from your view, which can feel abrupt but is perfectly normal. Once you've confirmed, give it just a second or two for Google to process the request. If you're on a slow connection or dealing with a very large spreadsheet full of data and images, you might see a brief loading spinner, but it's almost always instant. The spreadsheet will vanish from your Google Sheets homepage, and that often makes people worry it's gone forever, but it's not. It has simply been moved to the trash, which is a special folder inside your Google Drive. To double check, open your Google Drive in a new tab or window, look in the left-hand sidebar, and click Trash. You'll see your spreadsheet sitting there with a small trash icon next to it. This is your safety net. As long as it's in the trash, you can undo the deletion completely. If you realize right away that you deleted the wrong file, don't panic. Just go to the trash folder in Google Drive, find your spreadsheet, right-click on it, or tap the 3-dot menu and select Restore. The file will instantly return to its original location in your Google Sheets list and your Drive folders, exactly as it was before. This works for about 30 days. After that, Google permanently deletes files from the trash automatically. So if you're spring cleaning your drive and you want to free up storage right now, you can empty the trash manually. In Google Drive, click the trash folder, then look near the top right for a button that says Empty Trash. It might also say Trash with a drop-down arrow. Click that, confirm you want to delete everything permanently, and those files are gone for good. Just be absolutely certain before you do this, because there's no undo once the trash is emptied. One more thing worth knowing. Deleting a Google Sheet does not affect any forms, scripts, or linked documents that you may have associated with it, though those connections will break if the sheet is permanently removed. And if you share a spreadsheet with others, moving it to trash does not notify them or remove their access until the file is permanently deleted. They just won't be able to find it in their recent files anymore. The whole process is designed to be reversible, forgiving, and quick, so you never have to worry about losing something important by accident. You've now successfully cleared out the spreadsheet you no longer need, and you know exactly how to bring it back if you change your mind. If you ever need to delete another sheet, you've got multiple fast methods to choose from. Bookmark this video or revisit the steps anytime your drive gets cluttered. I'll see you in the next one.